Have you ever wondered how the towering skyscrapers and expansive reservoirs contain and manage vast quantities of liquids without succumbing to leaks or structural failures? The answer lies in a crucial document called IS 3370, Part 1, 2009, Code of Practice for Concrete Structures for the Storage of Liquids. This unsung hero of the construction industry is a cornerstone for civil engineers, architects, and construction professionals worldwide. IS 3370, Part 1, 2009 is a comprehensive guide to designing, constructing, and maintaining concrete structures specifically intended for the storage of liquids. It encapsulates everything from material selection to structural design, ensuring that these facilities are robust, durable, and safe. While the title focuses on storage of liquids, the principles and guidelines it outlines are invaluable across various facets of building construction. Concrete is a primary construction material and requires meticulous attention to detail. When you reference this code, you ensure safety, enhance durability, and optimize functionality. Safety is paramount. Adhering to the code specifications guarantees that structures are resilient against potential leaks, seepages, or structural failures. Durability is another crucial aspect. Structures constructed following the code's guidelines exhibit enhanced durability, which means reduced maintenance costs over the lifespan of the building, translating to long-term savings. Lastly, the code ensures optimal functionality. Whether it's a residential space or a commercial establishment, the efficacy of a structure lies in its design and construction, both of which are bolstered by adhering to IS 3370, Part 1, 2009. Now you might be wondering about the economic implications of referencing and adhering to such codes. The benefits are manifold. Prevention of failures is a significant one. Non-compliance or oversight can lead to structural failures, necessitating costly repairs or even reconstruction. By ensuring compliance, one can avert such financial pitfalls. Then comes longevity. Structures built as per the code's specifications have a prolonged lifespan. This longevity translates to reduced maintenance and repair costs, resulting in substantial savings in the long run. Lastly, abiding by recognized standards boosts the credibility and reputation of construction companies. This trustworthiness can attract more clients, leading to increased business opportunities. In Nagpur, NewTech Constructions is leading the way by recognizing the significance of standards like IS 3370, Part 1, 2009. By consistently prioritizing quality, safety, and innovation, they are pioneering excellence in the field. By leveraging the insights from this video, potential clients and partners can witness firsthand the commitment of NewTech Constructions to excellence. Whether it's contract residential construction or bespoke house construction in Nagpur, NewTech stands as a beacon of trust and reliability. In conclusion, the importance of IS 3370, Part 1, 2009 cannot be overstated. It serves as a guide, a protector, and a standard-bearer for the construction industry. It is an invaluable tool in the hands of civil engineers, architects, and construction professionals, and it's high time more people understood its significance. So, delve deeper, learn more about it, and witness how it shapes the world around us.